There are numerous types of YouTube channels catering to a wide range of interests. Some different types of YouTube channels. Vlogging. Content creators share their daily lives, experiences, and adventures. Gaming. Channels dedicated to video game walkthroughs, reviews, and commentary. Educational tutorial. Channels that provide instructional content on various topics, such as learning a new skill, academic subjects, or DIY projects. Cooking food channels. Creators share recipes, cooking tips, and food related content. Beauty fashion. Channels focused on makeup tutorials, fashion tips, and beauty product reviews. Tech. Content creators review and demonstrate the latest gadgets and technology. Travel. Channels showcasing travel destinations, vlogs, and travel tips. Fitness health. Channels providing workout routines, fitness advice, and health related content. Comedy skits. Creators produce humorous sketches, parodies, and comedy content. Music. Musicians share their original compositions, covers, and music related content. Animals pets. Channels dedicated to cute and funny animal videos, pet care, and related content. Science education. Channels that focus on explaining scientific concepts and educational content. Motivational self-help. Channels that provide motivational speeches, self-help advice, and personal development content. ASMR. Autonomous sensory meridian response channels create content designed to induce relaxation and tingling sensations. Documentary. Creators produce in-depth content on various topics, similar to mini documentaries. Reaction videos. Creators react to and share their thoughts on various videos, trailers, or other content. DIY crafts. Channels that provide step-by-step guides for do-it-yourself projects and crafts. Parenting family. Creators share parenting tips, family vlogs, and content related to family life. Political news commentary. Channels that discuss and analyze current events, politics, and news.